Dear students, the next question from work power energy need based question from scalar product area. So see the question. Now the question number 9. If theta is the angle between the unit vectors, that is A vector and B vector, then 1 minus A vector dot B vector divided by 1 plus A vector dot B vector is equal to. So this is the question. So this value is equal to tan square theta by 2, sin square theta by 2, cot square theta by 2 and cos square theta by 2. So some 4 option is given. Now let's we derive. Okay, I read the question one more time. If theta is the angle between the unit vectors A vector and B vector, so clearly they mention A vector and B vectors, these are considered as unit vectors. Okay, therefore now they are asking what about 1 minus A vector dot B vector divide by 1 plus A vector dot B vector. Okay, so I can write 1 minus A vector dot B vector, you know, that is AB cos theta. AB cos theta divide by again 1 plus again A vector dot B vector, we can write AB cos theta. But they clearly mention it is unit vector, so that A value, B value we consider as 1. Therefore we can write 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So this value only we are going to derive now by using the mathematical concept. But if you focus all the option, they mention theta by 2. Okay, theta by 2. So cos based relation along with the theta by 2. So that kind of trigonometry formula we want to choose. So we know the formula, that is, just I remember, we know the formula, that is cos 2 theta is equal to, that is 1 minus 2 sin squared theta. This is one formula. Then one more formula for cos 2 theta is equal to, that is 2 cos squared theta minus 1. Then one more formula, just I remember, cos squared theta minus sin squared theta. So these are the 3 formula for cos 2 theta. Okay, so now in this question we have to derive one by one, especially first 2 ideas. Third idea no need, for remember purpose I wrote. Okay, first I want to derive 1 minus cos theta. Okay, so let's say take the first formula, that is cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin squared theta. All the option along with the half of the angle. So this theta is replaced by theta by 2. Therefore I can write cos 2 into theta by 2 equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Here 2 will be cancelled. So I can write cos theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin squared theta by 2. So if you observe in the numerator steps, we need 1 minus cos theta only. Therefore this one is coming this side, or otherwise the cos theta moving that side become minus cos theta. Therefore 1 minus cos theta equal to this minus 2 sin square theta by 2 moving left side, it become plus. So 2 sin square theta by 2. Okay, so the numerator value we found. Numerator value is, that is 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. Like that, let's refocus the denominator value. Okay, by using the first formula we found numerator value. Like that, we are using the second formula. Let's say take the second formula with the same idea. Second formula we can write, yes, cos 2 theta equal to, second formula what? 2 cos squared theta minus 1. Okay, then again here also the angle theta is replaced by the theta by 2. So I can write directly, that is cos theta is equal to 2 to cancel. So cos theta equal to 2 cos squared theta by 2 minus 1. So we need 1 plus cos theta now, because in the denominator steps is 1 plus cos theta. So I need 1 plus cos theta only. So minus 1 moving this side, we can write as 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 cos squared theta by 2. Okay, so denominator value also we found. Therefore finally I can write as 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta equal to 1 minus cos theta, you know that is 2 sin square theta by 2 divided by 1 plus cos theta, you know, that is 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 will be cancelled. Sin square theta by 2 divided by cos square theta by 2, that is equal to tan square theta by 2. So if you focus this option A is, that is tan square theta by 2. Okay, so this is the answer for this question. Okay, I hope you understood this question. Thank you.